Shika, I don't know your question. Uh, mm, your question is like, when will I be happy? The moment you can now only take action to be happy. It's just you need healing and guidance. That's all. You need some motivation. Uh, like you have to listen some motivational lines or some motivational quotes actually. Okay, so your question does not mean very bad to me, but it means little hard, because to be happy, why you want to ask about give like to ask a reading? To be happy, you need to take action first. Whatever you're facing, it's okay. I feel some pain. I feel some um, maybe in everything you're lagging. It doesn't matter. For happiness, you have to take action to be happy. Okay, Kishika, and for the future and career reading, you need to book your slot for private reading. I'm not gonna do here. So if you wish to have a paid service, you can message me directly and book your slot. Palm Sabnani, yes, definitely through energies. What I'm getting is mm, yes, if we do some matrimonial stuff, or if we meet some people, something he has a chance to meet a girlfriend or to have a girlfriend. Okay. Nice. Nesa, I see within 3 months some news is in your way. Nesa, within 3 months some news is in your way. Palm Sabnani, you have to take action to have a girlfriend, but I see there are people around him. You have to meet them. You have to openly meet them. That's all. Like he's like having some boundaries around him. He has to just have no limitation, cross the line, and you have to do the things. Then definitely there is a way he getting a girlfriend. Okay, Naisa awaiting letter. Okay, you're waiting for the letter from long time. I'm getting from your energies like um from long time you're waiting. There is a waiting energy in your reading actually, but within 3 months I see some changes coming. Okay, so I see maybe you may get a university seat. Okay, you will get a slot. Okay. I think you asked me the same question. Within 4 months, there is a positive. You will get admitted to university, and I think you'll move. So definitely there is a lot of stuff you need to plan from now. So Manisha Sharma, welcome. Please share. Manisha, I don't know how many subjects you have. Can you tell me how many subjects you have so that I'm getting something here? So I need to get clarified and just clarify you. See, Manisha, there is Nine of Cups, Nine of Pentacles. There is a Strength card. I know you got your answer, definitely. But this is very positive cards. Two nines I have got, which represent, this is what I asked you, how many subjects you are having. So this is telling me 9 again. The Roman numbers you can see, and the Nine of Cups, Nine of Pentacles is with Strength card. And after this cups I got this, because Seven of Wands represent signifies that there is things to do. You need to more work on the paper. You need to more study. You need to mm, do it again once, okay, before you go, okay, before you output your exams. You need to go again and just glance, or maybe if you have any doubt, you'll have to make sure whether you'll have to get clarity in some things. So I see positive cards. Actually, the last time when you asked me, there was different energy. Now I'm getting very positive cards. um, so Pentacles and Cups energy is representing a very positive major change in your studies, in your career also. So the Strength card represents you need to take strength. You need to just uh, motivate yourself to again go around in all 9 subjects again. Okay, do this again and write down the topics which you have doubt. Mm. So once you write down, I see some maybe 7 or 8 subject you will work, but one subject more you need to work on. Last time I got 2. I still remember your energy and reading, but this time I'm getting 1. So something, one subject you have to get mm, more, you have to give time. Okay, so I think you got the answer. People who want to book a slot for depth reading can always welcome. You can book your slots, but if somebody else have already booked, then you'll be giving appointment the next day. So if you want to book a slot today or tomorrow, you can do it, because I'm taking the slots booking for tomorrow now only, and till tomorrow it is open. So people who shares only get the chance. Please share and like. I don't see share a tag. I don't answer. Shri Sonam, I don't know who is Sujita and Swagatika. Is that you? Any of the name is you? So okay, if people are not answering me, I'm gonna just skip them. Sujita, for you, I got there is something very much sadness I'm feeling from one energy. Like I don't know you, or it might be vice versa. Maybe the person you are asking about, very sad. They are like it is almost drowned for something like that. They are awaiting for some positive change, but definitely there is a change. It takes time. It may take 3 months to recover. So So Swagatika, you are Swagatika. Sujita is feeling like she is very sad, I think, right now, or maybe you. So for some spending like spend time outside somewhere, you may call her or something like that. You can spend time, everything will get better later. Okay, there is very much sadness right now. I feel she's very lonely now. So this is for you. Okay, so who is next? Leandra RS. Leandra, a spiritual connection, actually I don't do here. It is very challenging and it needs more it has more responsibility. I can do connection, but simply I can't call somebody spirit and ask. Like, I need to have a depth session with you for this. Then I can contact you and contact your mom, who is passed away, because it has so many things I need to be followed. This is not easy here to do. And one more thing, randomly when I get connected, I'll definitely answer, but still I'm trying to connect your energy. I think from that time you're posting, I saw it actually, but I'm not getting your energy. I don't know, but if I'm getting easily connected, I can answer. But if I'm not connected, you have to take a private paid session where I take more initiative to connect your energy. So here it is like mixed energy is what I'm getting. So you can book your slot for a private reading. Okay, you can have a spirit channeling reading with me. Okay, so you can take a slot booking. Okay. Okay, Leandra, I'll try to connect. Okay, Kathy. Okay, I'll try to connect. If I get something from her, definitely I'm gonna give you the answer. My spirit guides are giving me some messages like she has something to tell you. Definitely, she has something to tell you. Through cards, I will answer you. Okay. If not, I can't contact her. From the help of my spirit guides, I can give you some messages. Whatever she's telling, I will tell you. Okay. What you want to know about her? Like, is anything, any question do you have to ask to her or something like that? Amma yakama? Is there something about you are worried about some money or something for security, or maybe your father is worried about money or something like that? Maybe she's showing me the money. I don't know why she's like seeing your dad, thinking about your future and to have your security, something like that she's giving. Is that right? Leandra, can you hear me, Leandra? I'm seeing very much loyalty maybe around you, some loyalty, loyal person are around you. She's telling to hold them. She's showing me your father holding the coin or about money, is planning something to have a security life for you, something like that. Is that true? Guys, please don't post. I'm unable to see his messages. Lehendra, please reply. the same message she's giving again. Maybe he needs to plan for your security. She's telling him right now he should do. Right now, maybe I don't know who is looking after you. Maybe your father, or maybe your mother's side somebody, or somebody is there with you. There is a connection with your mother family also, I think. I see your mother's mother, or maybe mother's sister, or somebody is with you. Is that right? Supporting you. She's showing me here everything. She's telling me that to save some money for future and for the security, and she's telling me to make sure yourself who is around you, and be loyal to them, and the people who are right now with you, they are very loyal to you, something like that she's showing me. Maybe sometimes you think of her and you may call her. Actually she hears you. She's telling me she hears you definitely. Nobody's supporting you, Leandon. Like nobody's supporting you. Then I don't know. Can you tell me who is this male person in your life? Is there anybody close to you? The male person who is little bit aged. Yes. Is he talking to you? Is he talking to you? She's showing your dad only. Definitely, this is very accurate what I'm getting. She's telling me 2-3 times. She's showing me something, and she's confirming me also. He wants to save money for you, something. She's giving some message like that. I don't know, but this is definitely true. I think. I think even your father also is thinking of your mother sometimes. He may talk to himself sometimes. Is that true? I just want a yes or no. That's all. Yes, I don't know. Till now, I gave you message, Leandra. Can you hear me? She wants you to be secured in finance in future. She wants you to be loyal as a man. I don't know whether you understood or what, but I think your mother is conveying something to me here. Uh, she's telling she wants you to be a loyal person as a man also, and one more thing she wants to tell is your father is worried about your security and finance, and as much as your father worried, more than that she is worried. Maybe she shows you a way in future, or in your way from now on. Every time she is with you actually, but I don't know. She sees you, she's around you, she feels you, but you can't feel her. You can't sense her because she's not right there. But she wants you to be happy, and your father also to be happy, and she likes your father so much, and she's closing her eyes and sensing his smile. Actually, she wants your father to be happy with you. She's telling me all this actually. I don't know whether of your people situation right now is, but definitely there is a strong connection I'm getting from your mother, and the energy what I'm getting is she wants you both to be happy, and the money thing, the finance thing first should be settled fast, because you are growing as a man. You should be a loyal person. This is what she's telling you. Okay, so thank you, Leandra. I felt very sad energy from your side, because I feel some loneliness. I feel sometimes you pray to her, or you ask help for her calling her name. Okay, I don't know, but the energies was connected so much, and still she's here. uh, she is to cry. I am feeling her cry. She's also crying here, but something strongly I'm getting is be happy. That's all she want. She wants you to be happy. She wants her husband also, like your father also, to be happy. She's closing her eyes, imagining when he was happy with her. The past connection she's going on, she's going backwards in her life. um, and she's thinking he was happy times with her, whatever your dad spent, that is what she's remembering, and she's living right now. But no presence of her, that's all. Okay, this was very much connection. It was a spirit channeling and it was a spirit message. So Leandra, thank you. If you like to have a private reading with me, you can book your slot for the paid service. But she always loves you. She's telling to be safe, and she's still talking here. She's not leaving actually, and I can't do it forcefully because she's in pain right now. Guys, if anybody wants to uh, pay and have your reading, I'm taking paid readings now because it was very long depth reading right now from spirit guides and the spirits. So guys, can donate. I may take the question if you donate. It was very strong spiritual spirit reading for me right now, and people donate. When you donate, I'll do more depth because I am tired right now. I just want I can do more readings, but I'm just cleansing myself. That's all. I'm cleansing everything here. Key King, you can donate, dear. I can do same more depth reading when you donate. So free readings I'm not doing. Guys, I'm not doing free cards or free messages. Please understand, it's a paid reading actually. I don't always do free readings, but I was connected to whom I'm connected easily. For those people, I can give. But now I'm, if I connect also, if I connect your energies also, I'm waiting for the paid readings, because uh, every time don't take advantage of me, please. Every time I can't give free readings, understand? Yes, you can pay for a reading. If you have a question, you can pay $3 per question. You can PayPal me, and I'm gonna initiate your reading in more depth. You'll be getting guidance and answers. If you want channeling, spirits channeling questions, if you have, I can do like what I did for Lysandra right now, and more in depth I can do when you donate. You should donate for the questions. When you ask the question, there is certain amount you need to pay for the psychics, or for the astrologer or something like that, maybe for consulting. Hi, Bhavna.